Hello guys, you're welcome to another session with Dalton Home of Science. So today we'll be talking on the topic partial fractions. And before we begin solving questions on partial fractions, we'll take a recap on our knowledge of fractions. There are some things which will really aid us when it comes to solving questions on partial fractions. Let's take, for instance, we have A on B plus C on D. Solving this, we need to find a denominator, and which normally is a multiple of these two. So it will be BD. So BD multiplied by this, B will cancel, so it will be A multiplied by D, which will be left, plus comes down BD multiplied by this, D will cancel this D, so it will be CB. So it implies A on B plus C on D equal to AD plus CB all on BD. This should be noted. So the first example we'll take partial fractions. Given that 2x divided by x minus 2 into x plus 4 equal to A on x minus 2 plus B on x plus 4, find A and B. This is a simple way of asking you to express this in partial fractions, and this came in June 2016, paper 1. Okay, so we'll start. We'll write our equation. We have 2x on x minus 2 x plus 4 to A into x minus 2 plus B to x plus 4. Now, earlier on we saw how to add fractions, so we'll apply the same thing. So now what we'll take here is a multiple of this. So a multiple of x minus 2 and x plus 4 will give us x minus 2 bracket x plus 4 into brackets. So what we'll do is x minus the multiple multiplied now by all of this. So we have x minus 2 bracket x minus x plus 4 bracket multiplied by this. We have x minus 2 will cancel out with this, so we'll be left with x plus 4 times this. So it will give us x plus 4 a plus, when we take this multiple and multiply by this, x plus 4 will cancel out, so we'll be left with b times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 2. This all over the multiple, which is x minus 2 bracket x plus 4. So when we compare this to this, we realize 2x equals to this. So we can say it implies 2x equal to, we've expressed this in another form, so 2x equals to this, which is a x plus 4 plus b x minus 2. Now this is where the trick lies. In order to solve this, we have to choose each one to eliminate. So we can begin by eliminating a. To eliminate a, we'll make sure this value here is 0, so that a goes out of the equation, and then we can get the value for b. So let's begin by choosing to eliminate a. So if we choose to eliminate a, we imply x will be negative 4, so that negative 4 plus 4 gives 0, so we'll take x to be negative 4. Now we rewrite our equation using x as -4, substituting x equals to -4. So we have 2 into -4 equals to a -4 plus 4 plus b -4 minus 2. So 2 into -4 will give us -8. -4 plus 4 is 0, so this will wipe off. B, this -4 minus 2, that will be -6. So we have -6b. So this will imply, to get b, we'll have to send -6 this way. So that will be -8 on -6 to give us b. And simplify this equation, this fraction, that will give us b equals to 4 all over 3. 4 all over 3. So now we rewrite our equation. We have 2x equal to a into x plus 4 plus b into x minus 2. So now we choose to eliminate b. So we now choose to eliminate b. Eliminate b. B x minus 2. So it implies to give this value 0, we'll take 2x to be 2. It implies x will be 2. So we substitute 2 for x anywhere in the equation. So we have 2 into 2 equals to a 2 plus 4 plus b 2 minus 2. 2 into 2, that's 4, equals to 2 plus 4, 6. So we have 6a plus b. This one goes out. So this gives us, it implies a equals to 4 on 6. Simpler terms equals to 2 on 3. So now we've got our values. We have a to be 2/3, and we have b to be, and our 4 on 3. 4 on 3. So our question was this: given that 2x, x minus 2x plus 4 equals a on this, so we found a is 2/3 and b is 4 on 3. Good. So we'll take a second example. This one is from June 2019. Express 2x on x minus 3 into x minus 5 as partial fractions. Okay, so first of all, break it down. 2x into x minus 3, x minus 5 can be written as a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 5. And now with our rule of addition for fractions, we have to look for the multiple of this, which will be x minus 3 bracket x minus 5 bracket. We then divide into we'll then multiply this. X minus 3 will cancel out here, and here x minus 5 will cancel out, so it will be represented as a into x minus 5 plus b into x minus 3 all on x minus 3 x minus 5. So now this implies two x equals to a into x minus 5 plus b into x minus 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now we choose which we want to eliminate. So if we choose to eliminate a, it implies we will take x to be 5 so that we can have 0 here. So we choose to eliminate A. When choosing to eliminate A, it implies x will be 5. So we substitute x equals to 5 into the equation. So we have 2 into 5 equals to A 5 minus 5 plus B 5 minus 3. 2 into 5, that gives us 10 equals to here 0. B 5 minus 3, that's 2. So it will be 2B. So this it implies B equals to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. We've got our value for 5. Our value for B, sorry. Now to get the value for A, we rewrite our equation. 2x equals to A into x minus 5 plus B into x minus 3. To get our value for A, now we have to eliminate B. So now we choose to eliminate B. Choose to eliminate B. Let B. So when choosing to eliminate B, x will have to be 3, because 3 minus 3 here will give 0. So we'll take x to be 3. So we'll substitute this in the equation. So 2 into 3 equals to A into 3 minus 5 plus B into 3 minus 3. 2 into 3, that gives us 6. 3 minus 5, that is negative 2. So negative 2A plus this B multiplied by 0, 0. So here, divided into imply A will be minus 2 will cross over, so it will be 6 divided by minus 2, which will give us negative 3. So our value for A is negative 3. Our value for B is 5, as we saw earlier. B is 5, as we saw earlier. So means we can rewrite now this equation. 2x into x minus 3 into x minus 5 is the same as A negative 3. So let me rewrite it. So it implies 2x into x minus 3 into x minus 5 can be written as A, which is negative 3 on x minus 3 plus B, which is 5 on x minus 5. So this has been expressed into partial fractions. So this is just what partial fractions is all about. If you have any other complicated question which you want us to help you solve, you can either comment below or you get to us through WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp number. Will be available to reach out to you. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the viewing.